I'm using rounded rectangle to create this icon. So initially draw one rounded rectangle. Again I'm creating one more rectangle to the door. So using alignment, align center, select both the object. So go to Pathfinder, give minus front and remove the unwanted areas. Now you can see door shape in your rectangular object. So again I'm taking one more rectangle. Rotate and place the rectangle which you created as shown above. Copy and reflect the same object in opposite direction also. Select both the shape, rescale it and place properly. Here I am using one more shape to close that roof area. By using rectangle tool I am creating a windows. So just create one rectangle and copy the number of windows you need. So select all the windows and place properly. Once the design is done, just check for number of different type of colors which looks better and good.